Hare Krishna. I want to share with you one of the most blissful and inspiring photos I've ever seen. I saw it on the wall of the ashram of ISKCON Prodhatur in Andhra Pradesh. You must be thinking it's a deity photo or a photo of Srila Prabhupada. And of course, there are thousands and thousands of beautiful and inspiring photos of deities and of Srila Prabhupada. What else could it be? Okay, let's have a look. Isn't that beautiful and inspiring? Members of ISKCON will automatically recognize this is Srila Bhakti Swami Maharaj, whose absence is still hard to come to terms with, and Srila Lokanath Swami Maharaj caught together on camera in a moment of pure bliss. Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. Srila Prabhupada often quoted this, and he often said that in relation to this, that devotees should be jolly. And the happiness of these two devotees' shared love is just radiating from this photo. It's obviously real. It's not something they're putting on, and why should they anyway? It's clear that they're God brothers with very deep love for each other, very happy to be together. Both were directly initiated into sannyas by Srila Prabhupada. Both have spent their lives serving side by side, along with so many God brothers, God sisters, so many devotees serving the mission of Srila Prabhupada. They've both been inspirational figures leading so many devotees all over the world. And we see from this photo, they're just very happy to be with each other. Now, it might not be that all devotees outwardly seem to be so happy. Once a devotee commented to Srila Prabhupada about a photo in which Srila Prabhupada looks quite sad. And they mentioned that to Srila Prabhupada, and Prabhupada said, that was a moment of ecstasy. Srila Prabhupada very kindly made so many beautiful devotees all over the world, and he told us, chant Hare Krishna and be happy. And that's really the essence. A pure devotee is always happy, even if he looks sad. We hear about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's ecstasy, which sounds like pain, but it's ecstasy. But for us who are unable to fathom the inner heart of great pure devotees, it's very inspiring to see devotees so obviously very blissful and happy as in this photo, sharing their love and affection for each other. And ultimately, that's what Krishna consciousness is all about. Tandera charana sevi bhakta samebash, janame hoy e abhilash. We simply aspire to live in the association of pure devotees, birth after birth, serving the previous acharyas, the 6 Goswamis, and so many great devotees are coming by their mercy. All glories to Srila Bhakti Swami Maharaj, Srila Lokanath Swami Maharaj, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda Ki Jai. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, who brought us together, so we now have the opportunity to serve him eternally in the service of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and all the acharyas, and ultimately Sri Sri Radha Govinda in Vrindavan. Hare Krishna. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya evacha patitanam